What's up, YouTubers? My name is Louis Ning Chong, the art of this channel. This video is about how to create a contract to create a video for DVD sales and rentals. Before we start, you can check out my website, eBay store, and other links in the information box below. This is video of course. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. The first thing you do to decide what kind of art video you want to create, then create a form. For it, it's good to have things in writing when it comes to your artwork. The first thing, right, for the form is agreement on the day and the year and the name of the distributor and the artist's name, which is you, of course. And see, the distributor and the artist agrees to create, sell, and rent the video. Number 1, commission. The distributor commissions the artist to create the video, and the distributor gives the permission to the artist to create the video in their facilities, and how many minutes the artist would, how long depends how many minutes the artist, how many hours he wants to do it. Number 2, payments. The artist will be paid in percentage on the commission of the sales of the videos, and the distributor will get the percentage themselves. Number 3, we got ownership and copyright. All the copyright title artworks go to the artist. The distributor will agree to the artist's terms, and also the videos. Okay. And number 4, for the grant of the transmission rights. The artist will give the distributor some of the rights to give permission to use the video under these exclusive rights and non-exclusive rights, and the following states in the form and how many months the distributor will have the videos out there. Number 5, integrity of the works. The distributor cannot edit or advertise the artist's video unless the artist is given permission to do so for the distributor. Damage, or number 6, damage or loss and insurance. The distributor will provide the master to the video for the artist in case it gets damaged or lost or stolen. Let's see, we're up to number 7, which is marketing. Marketing. This distributor can't sell the video to the purchaser or rental or to the renter, only if the artist given permission to the distributor to do so. Let me see what else. The marketing. Okay, we are to number 8, accounting. The distributor must show the artist of all the records of the sales, weekly, monthly, yearly. Now, if the artist finds any errors or mistakes that the distributor haven't given all the money to him, the artist must be paid the full amount. Publicity. The artist gives the distributor the distributor the permission to use the artist's name for the magazines and commercials or whatever the case may be with the situation. Termination. If the distributor decides to terminate, or artist decides to quit or to terminate the whole they call it video concept or whatever they're creating, let's say that. Okay, can do so. Then the last one you do is write the artist's name, sign your name as the artist, and the distributor has to sign his name also. So I know just like a lot of these when I'm saying that right now, because YouTube took over, I think a lot of artists want to create their own videos. You ever go to like an art magazine and they have a little okay, well, thanks for watching this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.